pain thing. It's Southern New England, and I'm going to let you start, Connor, whenever you're ready.
Well, first we would like just to ask a couple quick questions just about your property to see if it's something that we can actually help you out with. So, about how old are your windows?
Well, the house itself, Gail, the house is from 1951.
1951, okay. Now, are the windows original to the home?
Some of them.
Okay, wow. Now, are the ones that are original, are they wood, metal, or vinyl?
The ones that are original, Gail, are wood. Some of them have a few storms on the outside of them that are metal. Connor, there are also a few metal windows in the back of the house, and there's also some newer vinyl windows in this house as well.
Okay. So those original windows, they are wooden windows, and you've got those metal storms on them.
That's right.
Now, a lot of times, we do talk to a lot of homeowners in your area that complain about the storm windows just rattling, when you have the wind outside. About how many windows are you noticing this issue in?
1, 2. Gail, I can hear rattling on 4 of the windows.
4 of the windows, okay, that's gotta be annoying, especially at night when you're trying to get some sleep, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, now 4 of them with the storms you're noticing they're rattling. That's probably with the wind. How many of these are you noticing you're actually feeling the wind come through?
That's an interesting question. When I walk by them, I can feel air coming through on some of the wood windows, even with the storms on them.
Okay,
I
wow.
can also feel wind coming through some of the vinyl windows, but not on the metal windows. On the metal windows, Connor, I can actually feel the temperature coming through, but not air.
Yeah, metal is actually, of all the materials that are used to make windows, metal is the biggest conductor of hot and cold. So no matter what you're doing in the home, if you have the air conditioner running or you have the heat going, no matter what you're doing in the home, whatever it is outside, you're just going to feel that. It's just, basically emanating off the windows themselves.
It's emanating off the windows.
Yes.
That's interesting. I'm going to look over to Gail now for a second.
Yeah, and if you are noticing that you're not actually feeling the air, but it is hot or cold to the touch of these metal windows, you are still losing that energy, and you are going to see that in your fuel bill. How much are you paying per month on your fuel?
Right now, I'm embarrassed to say we're up over $300 a month.
Over 300. Wow, I'm shocked to hear that. Well, I shouldn't say I'm shocked. These are quite old, and they're not energy efficient. Now, when you first moved in, how much were you paying? Is it a lot different?
Yeah, it is a lot different, Connor. When we first moved in about 10 years ago, we were paying under $250 a month.
Oh wow! So it's gone up. It's gone up at least $50 per month since then.
Yes.
Wow, that's terrible. We definitely want to get that lowered for you. Now, you did say you have some of the windows are vinyl replacements.
That's right.
About how long ago did you replace those?
10 years ago when we moved in.
10 years ago. Okay,
Yes.
now the problem with vinyl windows is the seals in the vinyl windows usually start to fail around 7 or 15 years. So you might start to notice like a condensation or a fogging in between some of the glass there. How many of your windows are you noticing that in?
I am noticing that on 4 of the 7 windows that we replaced with vinyl.
Okay, so 4 of the 7 are showing the condensation.
That's
now,
right.
chances are if you have some condensation or some fogging going on, some of those windows